Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys how you can export your media bins in case you get a corrupted project. Let me show you. I had a project where my green screen, anytime I tried a key, just wasn't working. So what I did initially was grab the project and I copied it and opened that up, and it still wasn't working. So what I needed to do was export all this media here in timelines so I could basically duplicate it. So if you go over to your master bin here and right click, you can choose export bin, and that'll open up a directory for you to save. And this is a .drb for DaVinci Resolve bin, and name it. And then what I did was open a new project manager, made a new project, and we'll just call this one temp. So now it opens with a brand new fresh project, and we can go up to file, import bin, and open up that file. So I had one called master drb. Hit open and give it just a second, and it's basically going to import all the media and all the timelines. So it's saying I couldn't find two of the clips, which was some timelines that duplicated for some reason. I'm going to go down to my smart bins and click on timelines. So you can see I got a couple that are just like timelines where the media is offline. If we open it, it actually shows offline media. And if I click on the media and say find in media pool, it doesn't find the linked media, but it has the same timeline that'll open up properly right here. So this timeline and this timeline aren't working right, but the ones that will work are right next to them. So what I did was just open up the one that was good, deleted these two that were no good, and that's why we got that little error. So that gave me all my footage back, minus stuff that I had already deleted, but it was a way to duplicate the entire project. And it also made my green screen work, whatever was wrong with it. I don't know, just a bad project. So this was a way to get the entire media structure and bin back. And then I have the project, I just renamed it and made a brand new project and deleted the old one. So that's how you can bring your media back in if you got a corrupted project. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.